Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Zebec on Coinbase wallet. First, ensure your Coinbase wallet is set up and ready for transactions. You will need to have some Solana or USC in your wallet to facilitate the purchase. We will walk through funding your wallet, connecting to a decentralized exchange, and finally, swapping your existing cryptocurrency for Zebec tokens. This process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few simple steps. To begin, you'll need to fund your Coinbase wallet. You can either transfer existing Solana or USC from another exchange or purchase it directly within the wallet application. Simply tap the Buy button, select your desired cryptocurrency, and follow the prompts to complete the purchase using a linked payment method. Remember to account for a small amount extra to cover network transaction fees, which are typically very low on the Solana network. Now open the D-app browser within your Coinbase wallet. Search for a Solana-based decentralized exchange, such as Jupiter or Radium. Once on the exchange, connect your Coinbase wallet. You will then select the cryptocurrency you wish to swap, like Solana or USC, and choose Zebec as the token you want to receive. Always double-check the swap details, including the amount and potential slippage, before confirming the transaction. After confirming your swap, return to your Coinbase wallet's main screen. Your newly acquired Zebec tokens should now be visible in your asset list. It might take a few moments for the transaction to fully process and reflect in your balance, especially during periods of high network activity. Always review your transaction history to ensure everything went smoothly. Congratulations! You have successfully purchased Zebec using your Coinbase wallet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.